a short video. I wanted to show you guys how I like to make my asparagus. So I already got my water boiling here. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to it. And I'm going to drop in my asparagus. And just let them boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just enough to get tender. I got 2 batches, so I'm going to boil this batch and then I will boil my other batch separately. Anybody else love asparagus like I do? I love me some asparagus. But yeah, we're going to let those boil for about 4 to 5 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, so they've been boiling for about a good 4 minutes. And I'm just going to take them out. And I have a dry paper towel here. I'm just going to set them on the paper towel. And I'm going to replace my water with oil. And we will be right back. Okay, y'all. So while our oil was heating up, I went ahead and sprinkled some garlic powder, salt, and pepper on the asparagus. So now, I'm just going to drop them right in. And this is only going to be like a 2-minute technique. Because you see they already frying up. Alright. And it doesn't take long at all to make some delicious restaurant style asparagus. And so we got our asparagus plated up. And there's only one thing left to do. And that is squeeze some lemon juice on top of those asparagus. And that's it. We are done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you later, guys.